Hey guys, this is a short video to help you find some resources to practice different math concepts if you're using your iready report to kind of guide areas you might need to work on. So if you look at your iready report, it's broken down into four main domains: number and operations, algebra and algebraic thinking, measurement and data, and geometry. And for this video, I want to focus on the two first topics. Those are more foundational skills that you need, and at this point are more important than worrying about statistics or measurement and data and geometry. So I want to focus on number and operations and algebra and algebraic thinking. So based on iready results, they placed you at a grade level, and that grade level that is shown is showing that you have some concepts in that grade level that you haven't quite finished learning. So if you do have some time to spend on review, focusing on that grade level is a good place to start. Our school is using IXL Math this year, and we've bought a subscription, so this is one of the resources I recommend to review some of those concepts. If you go to IXL Math, it's broken down by grade level, and you can see all the main topics by grade level. So if I start at third grade, I'm just going to go over here on the left and highlight a few concepts at each grade level. So for third grade, numbers and operations, some of the big topics learned are division, which is a common area that students struggle in, and you can practice that here. If you keep scrolling down, you can also look at place value. That's another area that students commonly struggle with, and fractions as well. So you can click through any of these. You guys should be familiar because I think you've been using IXL throughout the year already. So those are some common ones in third grade. And while I'm looking at third grade, I'm actually going to run over to Khan Academy, another great resource for reviewing things on your own and being able to find different grade levels and different topics. So I've just gone to khanacademy.org and their math section, and I'm going to scroll down also to third grade. Again, division is an area that students struggle with, fractions. I wouldn't worry about measurement and data and geometry at this point, just more on your foundational math skills. Also place value and rounding. Next, I'm going to look at fourth grade. So clicking here on the left, fourth grade. Fourth grade, again, division is still an area of struggle, and multiplication, and now these are focusing on doing multiplication and division with multiple digits. So here's multiplication, division, also looking at anything with fractions, adding and subtracting decimals. While I'm looking at fourth grade, you'll start to see algebraic concepts in fourth grade, and patterns and sequences is a good place to start if you want to review under algebraic reasoning. Adding and subtracting fractions is also a good one for review. I'm going to look at Khan Academy fourth grade. Okay, multiplication and division, fractions, decimals. Right here, factors, multiples, and patterns, that would be algebraic reasoning. Okay, I'm going to hop down to fifth grade. Fifth grade, you have a big focus on fractions. So if fractions are troubling you, you can find a lot of good practice here for that. Now, if I look through their multiplication and division, it's looking at, again, multiple digits, so even more digits, 2 digits by 3 digits, and so on. Here's your fractions. Decimals, working with decimals, all operations. Okay, problem solving would be a good place to practice for algebraic thinking, and I think I might have missed something else for algebraic reasoning. Let me go up one more time. Variable expressions for algebraic reasoning, and number sequences for algebraic reasoning. Okay, now in Khan Academy for fifth grade, same ones as before: multiplication and division, always a struggle, fractions, place value, and decimals, and then here is where you can start to see more algebraic thinking. Okay, sixth grade next. Okay, so when you get to one variable equations, this is algebraic reasoning. Um, Operations are now including integers, so negative whole numbers as well. Multiplication practice, division practice. Okay, your four operations still more practice there, including with fractions and decimals. Okay, and for Khan Academy, we've got our arithmetic operations, and then here's the introduction of using negative numbers with the operations now. And algebraic thinking is broken out here into variables and expressions and then equations. Okay, so I hope these resources give you a place to start that you can have a plan now based on your iready results. All right, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions as you start practicing.